Mm. Mm.
Hi, good evening all. My name is Chef Sanjay. I am working with Ultiman Cook Private Limited. It's a catering-based company. I have started my career with the various hotels like Taj, Mahindra, HHI, some quality inns like that. I have worked in Lonavala, Faria Sugar also. And I was familiar with Club Mahindra Holidays. I was there for 2.5 years. I was there with HHI. And my passion is to cook some innovative dish like fish, chicken, something innovative. My passion is to cook something innovative. If it is chicken, it's not like that regular chicken item. It should be something different. Like it should be something odd with the ordinary mix. It should be something with fusion. Indian, Western, Indian, Chinese, Indo, Vanti, something like that. So right now I am making that crumbed fillet with French fry and mango salsa. That is something innovative to me, and I have made it. I'll show you later how it is, how the product is, and how it will be made. So this is the company New Zealand, and this is the company from what they called company, Challenge New Zealand, something like that. They have newly launched this product, the crumb fillet. It's I think I have never seen this before, but I think it will be good. It looks like good, and it looks like good. The fillet, this is crumbed. And this is the simple basic procedure. It will be only deep fried and will be plated. This is basically fish. And okay, then let's go for the fillet with the fried fish. First, I put the oil to heat. Let's try if it is hot or not. No, it's not hot. It's a good fillet. The size of the fillet is good. I think per portion 2 pieces is enough for a la carte, and with some French fry and the salsa. The oil is being heated. Meanwhile, I am trying to show you that salsa, mango salsa, that is already made. This is the mango salsa. This is mango salsa. It's very innovative to me. I make it with the mango, only mango pulp, little mango, chopped mango pulp, and some bell peppers, chopped bell pepper, parsley, salt, pepper, and a little bit of chili flakes. The mango salsa with the accompaniment of this crumbed fish and French fry. Thank you for this. I'll fry the fish crumb fillet first, then I'll go for the French fry. just checking with the french fry if it is hot or not. While you get it. And put the fish below here. If you want, you can deep fry it in the karai. I have made it in fry pan. Because of the size, it's too long. In karai, it will take more oil and it will take more space to fry it. My fish is ready. My french fry is ready.
French fries also ready. Wait, I'm coming.
My fish is ready. My french fry is ready. I am going to plating the dish. This is the fish. French fry, and I will put the salsa separate. It's something like we all know that fish and chips, something like that, fish and the chips. Okay. This is my plating is ready. Accompanied with this, and the total dish is the fried fish and salsa, then the fried fish with salsa, the crumb fillet with salsa. I think you will be enjoyed this. It will be available in market. Go and take this crumb fish, crumb fillet